are going to now draw from our Ukoala bag. So make sure that your firearm's pointing in a safe direction. Let's follow all 4 rules of firearm safety when you are preparing to get your gun into the holster and into the bag, okay? So make sure once that firearm is in the holster, guys, you guys all should know this. Make sure your trigger and your trigger guard is completely covered. There should not be any space whatsoever. Once you've visually confirmed that that's the case, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take both straps, make sure the straps are securely and tightly pulled over, okay? Again, making sure, guys, again, safety always comes first. Make sure you are not pointing that muzzle at anything you do not want to destroy. So go ahead and put your hand behind the holster, right? You want that hand behind the holster and behind the Velcro. You need to make sure that you are not sweeping the muzzle of the gun on your hand or on your body parts. Okay, safety first, guys. Shouldn't have to tell you that, but I just did, okay? Make sure that holster's in your bag snugly, okay? And then your gun is ready to draw. So when you're ready to draw, okay? The other thing I want to remind you guys is that when it's time to put that gun back in the holster, please, please, please do not put the gun in the holster while it's in the bag. Go ahead, take the holster out. Safety first. Okay, firearm instructor in me is coming out. As you can see, this Velcro's really good Velcro, okay? It might take you a minute, but that's okay. We want to make sure that it's always safety first. Take it out, insert it back in, and then safely put the firearm in your bag.